In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. To go back to your standard keyboard, use this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, just copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by tapping on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin any of your added sentences, use this pin at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and select Done. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of your sentences instead, use this pin next to the pin. Click on the chosen one and hit Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!